From seed to tree. High up in a big tree lived a tiny seed named Pip. He was cozy and warm on his branch, but he dreamed of starting his own great journey. One day, the autumn wind began to blow gently. "It's time," it whispered to Pip. "Don't be afraid, I will guide you." Pip flew into the sky. He twirled and danced above fields and houses. The world looked so big and beautiful from up high. Gently, the wind set him down on the soft earth. Colorful leaves fell all around him, covering him like a warm blanket for the winter. Under the earth and leaves, Pip fell asleep. He spent the whole winter resting, safe from the cold, dreaming of the sun and the spring. When spring arrived, the sun warmed the earth, and the rain came to give him a drink. Pip felt something magical waking up inside him. He felt a tickle and a stretch. With all his might, he pushed, and suddenly, a little green sprout popped out of the ground to say hello to the world. The little sprout unfolded, and 2 lovely green leaves appeared. He was no longer a seed, but a small plant who loved to feel the sun on his leaves. The days passed, and the plant grew bigger. He became a small shrub. A bluebird named Sky came to land on one of his new branches and sang a sweet song. The seasons went by. The shrub grew taller and stronger. His roots pushed deep into the earth, and his branches reached higher and higher toward the sky. Today, he is a big, magnificent tree. He provides a safe home for his friend Sky the Bluebird and his family, who have built their nest in his strong branches. Every autumn, the big tree watches his own little seeds fly away with the wind. He smiles at them, knowing they are leaving to start their own magical journey.